Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Mischief. Richie here, where I talk about my favorite thing in the entire world, cryptocurrency. Now, I did just do a review video on Gems, which is about 20 minutes long. Now I'm going to be making a 1 to 2 minute tutorial video on how you can buy the node and the miner to start earning a plethora of coins and tokens inside of the Gems Launchpad. This is not a small project. These guys have been shipping millions of dollars of sales throughout crypto for the last year. They've raised over $200 million via their launchpad. They have 2.5 million users, 3.4 thousand community leaders, and they're represented over 140 countries. It is a huge project and a huge launchpad where you can not only own a node for $99, which allows you to earn rewards retrospectively from the success of Gems, but then you can also unlock purchases to get miners, which can mine 4 tokens at the same time. These are all brand new tokens. They all have great narratives, which are varied. So there is a code for this that you can use to get 50% off on the price of the miners, but the price of the node is set at $99. First thing you need to do is get on the Ethereum network, then join the network by connecting your wallet, and then you need $99 of USD in ETH, USDT, USDC, or GEMS token to purchase the node. The node is the first thing that unlocks your access into the GEMS ecosystem. Once you have your node, and look through the longer video where I explain all the benefits of having the node, you can also click learn more here. You then want to get into getting a miner. The miners are here. With my code, which is the link in the description, you can get 50% off on these miners. These miners mine 4 different tokens at the same time, unbelievably, and they mine for 2 years, I believe. You can either get a mini miner for $200 with my code $100. You can get a miner for $4,000 with my code $2,000, or a mega miner, which is $20,000 or $10,000 with my code. To buy, you again need to be connected with your wallet. You can then purchase with ETH, USDT, USDC, or GEMS on the Ethereum network. You select which one you want to get. You can then paste my code, which is in the description right here, to get 50% discount. Then you buy, and that's as simple as it goes. What are you mining? Well. You are mining 4 unique tokens, which are all going to be launched on Gems. These have been rigorously checked from their team to their backers to their narrative to their performance and speculative performance in the future, and you can mine all 4 of them right now. There are Incentive, which is a layer 1 blockchain, which is launching soon. We have Olympus AI, which is an AI coin for AI agents. We have Rain, which is basically it's Polymarket on the blockchain, where you can bet on sports or news and political events using decentralized crypto applications. Might be massive, actually. And then we also have Prodex, which is e-commerce on the blockchain. 4 very unique projects, and you can mine them all at the same time with the miner from Gems. So that's the node purchase and miner purchase explained. Thanks very much. See you in the next video. I've been Crypto Mischief. You've been great. And as always, don't get wrecked. Check out my longer video for more explanation of everything about Gems. I'll have more content in the future about it as well. Peace.